So hello viewers, welcome to SIK Studio. I hope you're doing well. This is tutorial 1 of Enscape rendering. So let's get started. In this video, we will cover few things, the 4 topics that how can we start with the Enscape and what is the Enscape live update and how to move and rotate the model, how we can use the keyboard keys in Enscape and how to change the render time. So these are the 4 things that we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get started. Here you can see the Enscape tools available here. If you can't see these, you can easily turn on these all from here. Just click here. You can easily see all the tools from here. So now as you can see here, it is written the start Enscape. So just click on this. So you will see the Enscape will begin, and you can easily see the rendering quality and everything in this tutorial. So as you can see, the Enscape is opened and the model is also over here. I can easily just, if you want to see the complete model from the 0 level, from the ground level, so you just need to press the right click of the mouse and you can easily click on this. And so the first thing, as you can see, this is the live Enscape with this, it is synced with the SketchUp. So whatever I add over here in the SketchUp, so you will easily see those things in the Enscape, or if I remove anything from here, you will see that is also removed from the Enscape. So this is only because of the live updates, because the SketchUp file is now live synced with the Enscape. So if you turn off this, so this will turn off. If you delete this window, so you can see the window is still here. And further, if you want to start the live sync, you can easily just click on this, so the live sync will begin. Now, the second thing we need to learn that how to move and rotate a SketchUp model in the Enscape. So as you can see that the model is here. If I press the right click of the mouse, so I can easily see this model from any angle, just like this. And if I rotate the wheel of the mouse, so I can go near to the model and away from the model. And the other things, as you can see that here are the few keyboard keys available. If I press A, so the model, so I can move in the left side. If I press D, so I move the model in the right side. And if I press A, so I will go back. And if I press W, so I will go forward. And the other thing, as you can see that as I press I, so I move up. But if I press Q, so I can easily move down. So this is how you can easily set the view in Enscape. So now the other thing, that how can we change the render time in Enscape? So you can easily change this with pressing Shift key and click on the right mouse button. As you can see, the time is changing here. But there is a shortcut method. You can easily change the time with the help of the keyboard buttons. If you press U, so you can see the time is decreasing. Just like this. It's now night. It's 3:20 a.m. As you can see now it's morning time. So you can easily change the time with the help of the U button and with the help of the I button. So this was the first tutorial in which you learned a few things about the Enscape, that how can we change the render time and how can we on the live sync in the SketchUp and how can we getting started with the SketchUp. So there are a few other things we need to know about in the SketchUp that I will cover in the next tutorial. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Bye-bye.